When I tell someone that, or some people that I'm a data analyst, I don't get this question a lot. What is a data analyst to? What is the job of a data analyst? Someone told me some time ago, oh, I thought data analysts only work in a bank. I told her no. We are all data analysts in some type of way, but we don't know it. Hold on, let me tell you. Okay. As a mom, for example, have you ever prepared a lunch for your toddler or one of your kids and he or she don't touch the meal? Only for you to open the lunchbox and see the food untouched. Okay, maybe you thought, oh, it's because I added vegetable, or maybe because I added onions. And the next time while preparing the same meal, you removed onions, you removed vegetable. And when the kid came back, you made the food untouched again. You asked your toddler what happened, only for him to tell you that he doesn't like the food at all, not what you added by preparing it. Now, as a mom, are you going to make that same meal again for your child? I guess the answer is no. You ask him what food he likes, and that's what you prepare for your child the next time. Now, let me tell you the data analyst in you. Data collection. Mixing the lunch came back untouched. That's raw data. Hypothesis testing. Guessing it was vegetable that you added, then removing it, testing again. Iteration. When the first guess was wrong, she didn't give up. She tested again. Then the next one is going to the source, asking the toddler directly. It's just like asking stakeholders or getting qualitative data instead of just guessing from a surface level numbers. Another one is turning insights into action. Changing what she cooks next time is exactly what a business does with an analyst's finding. Insights leads to a decision. You notice the problem, form a hypothesis, test it, get more info when the first guess fails. Use the answer to make a better decision. That's a data analyst in you working. What did you know? So, in a nutshell, what I'm going to say is we're all data analysts. Thank you very much. If you find this video very useful, give it a thumbs up, share, and comment. Thank you very much, and bye.